Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to share a Jira dashboard with your team or, pretty much anyone who needs access. It's way easier than it looks. So let's jump in. First, make sure you're signed in, then head over to the top navigation and click on Dashboards. If you already know which one you want to share, go ahead and open it. Now, look toward the upper right corner and hit More or the little three-dot menu. From there, choose Edit Dashboard. This is where all the sharing options live. Scroll down to the Shares section. This is where you decide who gets access. You can share it with a single user, a group, your whole organization, or make it public inside your Jira instance. Just pick whatever fits your workflow. After you set the permissions, click Add if you're adding a new group, or Update if you're modifying the current settings. Then hit Save at the bottom. And yeah, that's the whole thing. Your dashboard is now shared. To make things easy, grab the dashboard URL from your browser and send it to whoever needs it. As long as they have the permissions you set earlier, they'll be able to view it without any trouble. And that's pretty much how you share a Jira dashboard. Super quick, super clean. If you're organizing reports for your team or prepping for a meeting, this will save you a ton of back and forth. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you in the next one.